Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha with Zazie K Creations, and I wanted to come into this video to share with you a wonderful fabric store I found after listening to a podcast just a few days ago. So many times on the road I'll listen to many different sewing podcasts. There's so many out there. There's one called Sewing on the Weekend. There's one called Threads. A whole lot of different just sewing podcasts where folks just talk about their sewing journey and what they're working on and all things of the sort. So I was listening to a podcast recently, and it was one specifically about sewing with sequin. And it's something I have an interest in. Not that I'm ready to start working on sequin, but I heard about the podcast, or I saw it listed in my library as an option, and I went ahead and listened in on it. So in that podcast, I think the podcast was actually Sewing on the Weekend. And there are two women who facilitate the podcast. But in this particular one, they made reference to a fabric store. And the fabric store they referenced was called Lucky Deluxe Fabrics. So what piqued my interest in this fabric store are two things. Lucky Deluxe Fabrics is a fabric store that thrifts fabric. They thrift fabric of all types from different sources. And what really got my attention was the fact that the fabric, the particular sequin that this woman purchased from this website, was only $4 a yard. So when I heard that, I got really excited. She said it was a great quality. I checked it out, went to the website, and I purchased some fabric at $4 a yard. Now, Lucky Deluxe Fabrics is not the type of store where you go and you're looking for something particular. You want to go there if you're just looking for fabric, just browsing, just want to add something to your fabric collection. So I want to say that first and foremost. Second of all, it's all thrifted. So I don't know where they get all the fabric from, but it has come from someplace. So I did go on their website. I told you in my last video that I'm really into rayon. So I did a keyword search on rayon, and I found two fabrics, rayon fabric, that were priced at $4 a yard. So I went ahead and I purchased the fabrics. I'm going to now show you what I purchased from Lucky Deluxe Fabrics. I already opened the box. It arrived yesterday. I will tell you that the customer service was really good with Lucky Deluxe Fabric. They emailed me and inquired about my shipping charge, and they offered to consolidate two orders into one. So that's a thumbs up. They saved me money in shipping. And they're very responsive. I think I had a question and they went ahead and they responded right away. So that was really good customer service on their part. So the first fabric I purchased. Now, when I got these fabrics, what I had in mind were I had skirts in mind. So I had just done the two-piece outfit I showed you all in my previous video, and I really wanted to do more skirts. So I went ahead and tried to find rayon fabric to do more skirts. So the first fabric here, this is called a cotton rayon blend. It's a rayon, and I think I purchased 3 yards of this fabric. So when I purchased it, I thought maybe I could do a skirt, but it is a little thin. It's thinner than what I thought it was. It's a great fabric. It feels great on my skin. The quality feels great, but it's a little thin, and you can kind of see through this a little bit. So instead of me doing a skirt with this, I think I'll do a flowy top, a nice flowy, kind of like a caftan type top with this. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I got this fabric from Lucky Deluxe Fabrics, and again, it was $4 a yard, and I think I got 3 yards of this. So this is the first one. And the second one I got, I think I got 2 yards of this one and 3 yards of this. This was called rayon black with irregular blue dots. So this feels a little different from this fabric here, but it is rayon. I'm not sure what else I'm feeling in it, but it feels like there's something else mixed with this rayon. But it's a nice fabric still. I do like it. It feels good, and I have a lot of it. So again, this is also a little on the thin side. So while I thought it was going to be perfect for a skirt, I might just do a duster with it, maybe just a long duster, maybe a camisole. I'm not sure about a skirt because it is kind of thin. If I learn how to do liners, if I learn to do liners, I might do a skirt, but I'm not ready to do liners yet, and I do want to use this fabric. So I'm thinking I may just go ahead and stick to maybe a duster or a cardigan, maybe a dress. I don't know, maybe a dress. We'll see. I don't know yet. But I think I got 3 yards of this, 3 or 4. It's way bigger than the other piece I just showed you, but yeah. And then the third fabric I purchased. Now this is not rayon. This is actually called, this is called polyester Polynesian blue on Blue Island print. So it's called polyester Polynesian blue on Blue Island print. And I forget how much I got of this, but I think it's maybe 2 yards, maybe 3. I just got this because I thought it was just really pretty. It is very vacation like. I could see a nice pair of shorts with this, maybe maybe a wrap skirt. I don't know. It is a little on the thin side, but it's not too bad. I mean, I think I could get away with a skirt or a skirt with this. I'm not sure, but definitely maybe a pair of shorts for a vacation, and I will have some left over for sure. So I'll have to think about what I want to do with this. But I thought it was really pretty. When I saw this, I definitely saw vacation, summertime, you know, resort type wear. So I will be using this as well. And I think they had another one on their website in a different color. I think it was purple. I think it was like a lavender, like a really darker purple and like a lilac lavender or something. But yeah, I will be using this as well. Maybe doing a pair of shorts. So just want to let you guys know that if you're not already listening to podcasts, please don't, shy away from them. Podcasts can be very, very informative ways of getting information on techniques and different indie fabric stores and just anything sewing related. And what else I want to tell you about Lucky Deluxe? Oh yeah, they are actually located in California. So they're located in Lake Forest, California. And like I said, I got this really fast. I ordered it. It came within like 3 days. Really good customer service, and I'm really happy with what I purchased. And I'm going to be making some time to develop some plans for getting this stuff cleaned and pre-treated and ready for some really nice projects to come. So I'll keep you all posted on when and where and how I use this fabric. But I did want to share with you all that this resource is out there. Again, they're called Lucky Deluxe Fabrics, and they thrift and they sell different types of fabrics. I've seen appliques on their website. I've seen notions. I've seen quilting items. I've seen some vintage style patterns on their website as well. So yeah, feel free to look them up, check them out, and see what you can buy and share. If you go to their website and find something great you want to share, please, by all means, share it below. We can chat about it. And until next time, God bless, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.